Hello guys, so welcome back, and this is actually Audu right here again. And right now I just want to talk about how you can actually make money right now in 2023. Was your year in 2023 actually a bad one or a good one for you, or was it a very profitable year for you? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me how your 2022 went, and yeah guys, so I just want to make a video talking about how you can actually smash your goals in 2023, this year, this actual year. How you can actually do this to I have literally 10 methods right now right here, how you can actually smash up your goals for 2023. 10 methods which you can actually use to make money online or offline. Literally, I don't care. Let's go guys on how to actually do it now. So guys, I think the intro is actually getting too long. All right, I'll shut up now. With that being said, guys, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys, it's still your boy Audu right here again, and right now this topic is actually 10 profitable business you can actually start in 2023. Now 10 profitable businesses to start in 2023. Now I would actually jump into this in a bit, but right now I just want to talk about, like, how was your year. Literally I literally want to know about how your year was in 2022, and if you have actually smashed, or if you actually smashed your 2022 goals. And literally tell me in the comment section, and also tell me what you want to actually achieve in 2023, so we can actually beat up that goal for ourselves, so we can actually rub minds together in the comment section. And tell me, you guys, just let me know what your 2023 goals are in the comment section. Just let me know, guys. So the first one on my list on how to actually do this 10 profitable business, and the first one on my list is actually being an online tutor or online coaching. Now literally that's actually saying you are literally going to be teaching people. Now it might be in a video form, and it might also be in maybe audio form, that's in Audible, and so on and so forth. And it can also be in written form, it can also be in blogs, so on and so forth. Now literally there are a whole lot of people who want to actually get some certain knowledge about something. Now that's it, and that's where you actually come in, because there's literally everyone in this, like, billions of people in this world, and everyone actually have something he needs, or everyone actually has that knowledge which you want to actually, or that stuff which you want to actually learn about. So that's when you actually come in. Now, is it actually cooking? Is it videography? Is it cinematography? Is it even maybe online coach, or for different things? Literally guys, so literally there is a whole lot of potential in this actual business, online tutoring and online coaching. Now that was my first one. And literally, if you want to actually do this, you can actually go on Udemy and start making tutorials, start making courses for people to actually buy, and you make money for yourself. That's it guys. And the second one on my list, the second method, the second profitable business to actually start in 2023 is being a social media manager, or social media management. And literally I'm going to be giving guys three ways, or three subtopics under this actual topic. This is a topic: social media management. And I'm going to give you guys three subtopics that we are going to be talking about right now. So the first subtopic on my list is actually managing for clients. Now this is actually like managing for clients. Now when you actually have a certain amount of knowledge, or you have this knowledge that about building your brand, or building social media accounts, or literally how you can actually build social media accounts. Now you have that knowledge with you, you can actually do that for yourself. And you can, clients will actually reach out to you, businesses will actually reach out to you, and so on and so forth. Then you charge them, and you make money for yourself. It actually depends on how you actually talk about it. It can actually be weekly, it can be monthly, and payments can be yearly payments, so on and so forth, depending on when you, or depending on how you guys actually talk about it. Now guys, let's move to the next subtopic, which is actually influencing for yourself. Now literally you can actually build your brand, you can build your brand, and you can actually influence, and you make a whole lot of money. Now let's say literally if you want to actually start influencing, you can actually get a minimum of 10,000 people, even 5,000 followers. As far as it's actually organic, and you're getting comments, you're getting insights. When you check your Instagram insights, I'm using Instagram as an example, please pardon me. So when you actually check your insights, or even on Facebook, or on Instagram, or if it's on YouTube, you go to your analytics, then you check it up, you see your impressions, literally if you're getting more and more and more and more. So literally just do not actually buy followers, do not buy subscribers, do not buy likes, comments, or anything. Grow yourself organically, and that will actually help you a whole lot. And clients will actually reach out to you, business will also reach out to you, and you make money for yourself. So literally, let's go to the next one, this next subtopic, that's C, or no, next subtopic under social media management, which is actually social media, for freelancers. Now you can actually freelance as a social media manager. Yeah, literally it's actually a very, very profitable business, and we can actually do that on Upwork, on LinkedIn, also on Fiverr, on freelancers.com, on Guru, and also on so forth, and you make money for yourself. So literally that's the three ways you can actually make money being a social media manager, or literally managing accounts, social media accounts for clients, or for literally in the long run. So the next one on my list, the next method, or the next business, profitable business you could actually do in 2023 to make money for yourself. Next one, or the third one on my list, is actually being, starting an e-commerce business. Now, literally, all these big men you actually know, Dangote in Nigeria, or um all this AliExpress, Jumia, all those stuff. They're actually e-commerce businesses, and they are actually making money for themselves. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and the owner of Tesla, literally, and they are literally making money for themselves using e-commerce. Now, literally, e-commerce is actually setting up your store, or setting up your business, with products for people to actually buy, and you can actually start that by yourself. You create a website with less than $70. You can actually create a website, and I'm actually a web designer. You can actually reach out to me on Instagram, Dominion_Audu, and we'd actually talk about it, and you tell me the kind of website you want, and we can actually work things out, and you actually start making, you actually incorporate your website with WooCommerce, and then you literally make money using e-commerce, that's literally selling products online. So literally the fourth one on my list is actually making money through arbitrage. Now, what is arbitrage? Arbitrage is actually making advantage, or getting advantage of the literal, what was it called, the profits you can actually get within one market to another. Now literally, let's say for instance you actually getting 10 USDT on Binance for 5,000 naira. It's just an instance, guys. 10 USDT on Binance for 7,000 naira, and literally when you go to Huobi or any other cryptocurrency or Coinbase, you can actually get it maybe for 7,500 naira. Now if you actually buy it on Binance, then you sell off on Coinbase, now you see you're actually getting a 500 naira difference, and now that's actually arbitrage. Now you can actually do that, and to make money for yourself. And literally I also have the arbitrage course also, that is actually selling also like crazy, and I have so many clients, so many customers that are actually buying, so many followers and subscribers that are actually buying, and literally, yes guys. So let's go to the fifth one on my list, and the arbitrage course is actually just going for 20 USDT, or 12,000 naira at the moment. So literally that's it, guys. Let's go to the fifth one on my list, which is actually food delivery services. Now you can actually locate good restaurants and start making, start the food delivery business for yourself. Literally locate a good restaurant close to you, and literally whenever any person actually orders, maybe from your WhatsApp, from your e-commerce site, or from your literal anything, when anyone actually orders, and you can actually just rush to that restaurant, get the food, and you actually deliver it to the person, and you make your profit for yourself. So literally, that's it. I don't need to talk much about that. It is actually self-explanatory. So let's go to the next one, guys, which is actually freelance writing. Now there are a whole lot of, you know, things. There are a whole lot of methods which you can actually use to make money on freelance writing. There's actually technical writing, general writing, blog writing, article writing, so on and so forth. And you make money, even video writing, script writing, and so on and so forth. You make money for yourself literally doing it. You can actually still go on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is actually a very, very powerful site. And also you see this thing called Facebook. Facebook is actually a very, very good place to get clients that would actually pay you a whole lot of money to freelance for them. So you can actually go there, Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, freelancer.com, Guru, um a whole lot. You can actually research for yourself if you're actually serious and you make money for yourself, actually writing for yourself, for clients, and you get paid. So literally, let's go to the seventh one on my list. The seventh profitable business for you to actually start in 2023. The seventh one on my list is actually making handmade products. Now making handmade products actually varies. You can actually make, this is actually a self-explanatory stuff. You can actually make different kind of handmade products for yourself. Now, the first one on my list, the kind of product, because I actually wrote down some kind of products which you can actually make, and you can actually sell off to people. You can sell off to final consumers and also retailers, so on and so forth, and then you make money for yourself. So, literally, you can actually make like Dettol, handmade Dettol, for yourself and to sell off for people. You can actually make Vim, like to wash and wash your maybe your toilet and so on and so forth. You can actually make air fresheners. You can make candles. You can make like mosquito repellents, so on and so forth, and then you make money for yourself. So I know this one is actually very, 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 very self-explanatory. So let's actually jump into the next one. The next one is actually home cleaning and organizations. Now I know you might actually look at it in a way as if I'm actually like saying something um kind of stupid. I don't know, but literally you don't literally need to think about or look at this in a poor mindset or in a poor perspective. Now literally you should actually look at this stuff. Look at the bright side, guys, because if you actually go, you literally get a client that would actually give you something to actually do, a home cleaning service, and arrangement organizations and so on and so forth. You are organize and organize. There are a whole lot of clients that can actually pay you even up to 5 million naira to actually organize just their house for them. There are these billionaires or millionaires you can actually see, and that literally have houses, but they don't really literally know where to put their clock, their wall clock, their pictures, their frames, their so on and so forth, their chairs, their cushions. You can actually arrange the house for them, and you get paid very, very fat amount of money. So that's it for that. And the next one on my list is actually the ninth, but not the ninth one, which is actually the personal fitness coach. Being a personal fitness coach is actually kind of weird for me to say, but it is not really, really weird as you might actually think, because you can actually, like, first of all, how you can actually learn first, because I know not everyone can actually coach any person in literally in this kind of niche, which is actually fitness. Now you can actually go to your personal physical fitness places, or you can even get a fitness coach, or you can actually literally just sign up for gym at the gym for fitness, maybe for 1 month, and then you get the basic knowledge there, get the basic equipment, so on and so forth, and then you just literally start you do for 1 month, literally not maybe 10,000 naira at least, or at most, I don't know, but you can actually get that for yourself done. And then when you get that kind of knowledge, you get the exercise they actually do, the equipment they use, then you can actually get a personal person which you can actually coach, and then you actually make money for yourself. You can literally get No equipment, tell them to buy the equipment, because you are not the one buying the equipment. They're the one buying. You are just getting paid for your service there. And when they're actually burning fat, all these people actually have money. They have literal money for them to actually spend. They can spend money. Yes, guys. So the last but not the least is actually virtual assistant. I've actually talked about virtual assistant a whole lot. And literally, if you just go to YouTube and search for Dominion Audu virtual assistant or Dominion Audu Upwork or Fiverr or anything, you would actually see it for yourself. So I've actually talked about a whole lot of, I've actually talked about virtual assistants a whole lot of times. And virtual assistants, you can actually do virtual assistant and get paid. Literally, assisting people virtually or online on a mobile phone, on your system, on your computer, literally on screen, and you get paid. Now, what are these kind of jobs you can actually do? You can literally schedule meetings, reschedule meetings, reply emails, schedule times for people. There are different things, answer. You can literally, yeah, you can reply messages, you can log in their social media accounts, post for them different things, and then you get paid every hour. Like if you're actually freelancing using maybe Upwork or Fiverr, you can get paid hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on kind of contracts which you actually go for with your clients. So that's it for this video, guys. It's actually a wrap from me here. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sure this video is kind of really, really long right now. And I'm sorry, guys. So it's actually a pack of knowledge. Please, if you actually enjoyed the knowledge, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down in the comment section, tell me what you think about the video, share the video with your loved ones. If you really, really, really love someone, share it with that person. And then thank you very much. I know you are literally helping us to grow here. We are actually a community. You're helping us, including you, to grow your knowledge, grow everything, and then you are literally making money on the side with our knowledge. So thank you very much for watching. I'll shut up now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.